Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today it's all about this original voice amplifier that looks like this from Windbridge. Let's go ahead and check it out. This is like perfect for like if you are at like an outdoor event or you're like hosting certain things and you need like your voice to be amplified, use this. The first thing, using these little guys with this cord, amazing. So you can like strap it across your body, which is perfect. Hook it on with those little guys, and then even, you know, to hook it around something. Here's the cord to charge. Ooh, this is a headset. Oh, and then this plugs into here. But let's go ahead and try this on. Oh, that's super legit. Welcome to the stadium, everybody. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, they give you an extra one. Let me just show you all the pieces it comes with. Okay, so yeah, there's this extra piece that we'll figure out what that is in a second. It comes with another cord, one of these guys. I love it when it comes with this because sometimes they just give you the cord but not the actual, you know, thing to plug it in. So I like that. And oh, here is another, I guess, an extra thing to put on there. All right, so after having this completely charged, we are now ready and set to go. And after reading the instruction manual, we kind of know what to do. All right. First, there is this option, which is basically corded option. Now, there is also these two parts, which is basically the cordless option. Let's start with the corded option first. Initially, I thought that maybe it went on like this, but after assessing it a little further, it actually goes on like this, behind the head, on top of the ears, so that it rests nicely like that, and then just bring that down so that it's away from the face so you can talk. This is a little bit more comfortable fit, and it's not actually gonna fall off. Next step, after this is all set or all assembled, go ahead and plug it into the mic outlet right there, and then we can go ahead and then turn it on, which is right here. Battery. Oh, okay. This is probably going to be having to yeah, this has to be further away so that it doesn't squeak like that. But as you can hear, it totally works. And it's quite loud as well. So this is great for like festivals, it's great for like presentations, or anything that you want to be doing. All right, let's try the cordless option. All right, so this is the cordless option and it comes in two pieces. So you gotta assemble it. So basically you're putting these two together like this, and then you're basically just like sliding it on like that. Before you put it on, you wanna go ahead and turn it on the side over here. All you gotta do is just swipe that. And you'll see that when it turns on, and I've charged this already, so it's already ready to go. It turns blue. That means that it's connected to this device already. It comes pre-paired, but just in case it doesn't get, like you can prepare it yourself, and they give you instruction how to do that. Now, let's go ahead and put this on, move the hair on top of the ears, and like that. Next, we are turning this back on. Battery. Ooh. Okay. It actually is a little bit less when you actually use this one versus the corded one, which is interesting. I wonder if it's, okay. You can have it actually closer to you if this not corded one. This is where you actually adjust the volume. Let's go ahead and click up. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, so that's the reason why it wasn't as loud, because holding it over that, because I didn't have volume on as much. So let's go ahead and turn it down, down, down. Hello, hello. Yeah, so it's like still there. So yeah, both options work perfectly. It just depends on what it is that you need specifically for the event or whatever it is that you need this voice amplifier for. It also comes with this aux cord. Basically, you can plug it into the aux section and then plug it into your phone, so actually it can be used as a music playing device actually, and not even, so it's a 2-in-1 option, which is amazing. Yeah, so instead of buying a Bluetooth speaker, you can buy this voice amplifier and then use it as a speaker as well. And you can also set it up with Bluetooth to your own device. So all in all, highly recommend this product, highly versatile. And of course, not to forget that it does come with this strap that you can make sure to hook on so that you can carry it around with you. If you want to purchase the product, check out the link below, and they have a bunch of other stuff like karaoke machines and all these different things as well. Anything related to voice, they sell. And for more product reviews, continue watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think about this voice amplifier, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.